If I had a son and he came to me asking me about women, there are about 13 important advice that I would want to share with him. Now, I don't have a son, so this is just for my imaginary son. I would want him to know these 13 lessons. The very first thing I would tell him is this: women are not puzzles to be solved. They're human beings to be understood. But son, let me share something that might save you years of confusion and heartbreak. A lot of guys come to me saying they wish someone had told them these things when they were younger. They talk about all the mixed signals, the games, the confusion that could have been avoided. Well, today, I'm going to be that voice for you today. My name is Remi, and I've seen these patterns over and over and over. And if you were my son, these are the 13 truths I would want you to know before you ever got serious about a girl. First truth, and this is crucial: you are enough exactly as you are. Never chase after a woman who doesn't see your value from the start. The right woman for you will recognize what an amazing person you are without you even having to prove it. Instead of spending your energy trying to convince someone of your worth, spend that time becoming the best version of yourself. When you respect yourself, women will respect you too. It's like a signal that attracts the right kind of person into your life. Second truth, men who don't chase always do better with women than men who do. This might sound backwards, but hear me out though. When you chase hard, when you're always the one texting, always the one making plans, always the one putting in all the effort, you actually push women away. It makes you seem desperate, and it lowers your values in her eyes and in your own. A healthy relationship requires efforts from both people. If you're doing all the work, that's not a relationship. That's you being someone's entertainment. Here's the third truth, and this one will save you so much heartache. Know when to believe her and when not to believe her. When a woman says something negative about your relationship, like, "I'm not ready for anything serious," or "I just want to be friends," or "I think you deserve someone better," believe her immediately. Don't think you can change her mind with your actions. Good women don't play games with men they truly care about. But when she says positive things like, "I really like you," or "I can see us together," don't just believe her words. Look at her actions. Do they match what she's saying? Actions always tell the truth. Fourth truth, a good woman will never risk losing you on purpose. When a woman truly cares about you, she'll protect what you have together. She might make mistakes, of course, but she won't deliberately do things that will drive you away. If you set a boundary with the right woman, you won't have to repeat it 20 times or get angry for her to respect it. But remember, not everything can be a boundary. Pick them wisely. If she feels she has to walk on eggshells around you all the time, even a good woman will eventually leave. Fifth truth, nobody is too busy to reply to your text within 24 hours. If she reads your messages and takes longer than 8 hours to respond, one of two things is happening. Either she's trying to craft the perfect response because she really likes you, which you'll know because her reply will be long, sweet, thoughtful, or she's just not that interested. If her reply are short and don't give you any clarity about how she feels, that's your answer right there. Sixth truth, and I know this might sound old-fashioned, if she doesn't offer to pay on the first date, especially if she asks you out, that's not a good sign. Now, listen clearly to what I'm about to say. Women want to contribute to relationships with men they truly like. A woman who's interested in you will always want to show that interest through her actions. The first date is special because it sets the tone. If she's not willing to invest anything in that first meeting, she's probably not that invested in you. Seventh truth, you cannot change her. You can only decide how you respond to who she is. Never fall in love with who you think she could become. Fall in love with who she is right now, or don't fall in love at all. Most people don't change, and those who do change is because they want to, not because someone else wants them to. If there's something about her that bothers you now, it will probably bother you later. Eighth truth, chemistry is overrated. I know that sounds crazy, but listen, A lot of people choose partners based almost all entirely of chemistry. And I made this mistake in my younger days too. Some men will pick the exciting, unpredictable women over the stable, kind women just because the chemistry feels more intense. But sometimes what we think is chemistry is actually just emotional chaos. Yes, there should be attraction, but having the same value and being able to communicate well are so much more important than fireworks. Ninth truth, don't play games. Playing hard to get doesn't make you more attractive to quality women. It just wastes everyone's time. Be honest about what you want from the beginning. Do you want something serious? Say so. Do you just want to have fun? Be upfront about that too. The right woman for you will appreciate your honesty, and the wrong woman will filter herself out. That's exactly what you want to happen. 10th truth, you deserve a woman who brings out the best in you. If you're with someone and you feel like you're becoming a better person because of her influence, that's a great sign. But if you find yourself getting angry, jealous, or insecure all the time because of how she treats you, then she's not the right one for you. She might be a good person, yes, but she's the wrong person for you. 11th truth. When a woman seems interested, suddenly pulls away and starts giving you mixed signals, and then comes back later when you've moved on, it usually means she didn't find anyone better than you. If you take her back, the same thing is going to happen. You deserve someone who chooses you consistently, not someone who keeps you as a backup option. 12th truth. Always address red flags immediately. Never ignore them hoping they'll go away. If something bothers you, speak up about it and see how she responds. Her reaction will tell you everything you need to know. If you're looking for a relationship and she won't talk about the future or define what you are to each other, have that conversation. If she's not honest or tries to avoid the topic, start moving on. Final truth. You get her best behavior at the beginning. In the first few weeks and months, she's trying to show you the best version of herself. This means two things. First, if things are already difficult in the beginning, run. It won't get better. Second, it takes time to really know someone, since those early weeks might not represent who she really is long term. Take your time before you fully commit to someone, but be quick to leave if she shows she's the wrong person for you. Son, I know this might sound like a lot, but remember this. The right woman will make all of this easy. You won't have to guess how she feels about you. You won't have to decode her messages or wonder where you stand. She'll be clear, consistent, and kind. Don't settle for someone who makes you question your worth. Don't stay with someone who brings out the worst in you. And never, ever try to convince someone to love you. The woman meant for you will see your value without you even have to point it out. She'll treat you with respect because that's who she is, not because you demanded it. She'll communicate openly because she wants the relationship to work. These truths might sound harsh, but they come from a place of love. I want you to find real happiness, not excitement. I want you to build something long-lasting, not just intense. Remember, you teach people how to treat you by what you accept. Set high standards and stick to them. The right woman will rise to meet those standards, and the wrong ones will eliminate herself from consideration. Take these lessons to heart, but don't become cynical. There are amazing women out there who will love and appreciate you for exactly who you are. These truths will help you recognize them when they come into your life. What truth resonated with you the most? Let me know in the comments below. And remember, you deserve love, respect, and happiness in your relationship. You already know what to do, you guys. Like, share, and subscribe. It has been your girl, Remi Rene here. I will see you guys in my next video.